So I just wanted to do a little bit of a video just to help you get an idea of, how weight loss happens or how it doesn't happen in this, as the case may be, especially for this week 7, which is all about riding the wave and acknowledging the fact that things don't always work exactly the way we want them to. So this graph that I've drawn up, so we've got our results and we've got time, and if we consider our 8-week program, we consider that maybe this is the beginning at week 1 and this is the end at week 8. However, I like to think more about this as being an ongoing journey. So really we don't need to put a specific time on this, we just want to look at the bottom line being time in general. So we like to think that our results happen like this, and for some people they do. A nice straight line, we start to, as the ball gets rolling, things start to work quite well, and over time you just continue to get results in a nice straight even line. Unfortunately, it doesn't always work that way. So there are a couple of different ways that this can happen. Another way is that our results look more like this. Okay. So with this one, you can see that we got results quite quickly at the beginning, but then things start to slow down and we actually don't get the results that we want to the whole time, and it goes in peaks and troughs. Now, what that actually means is that the body is responding really well, and then something happens for the body to adapt, and we've got to keep making changes as we go. The biggest thing is that you don't want to quit when you get here. That's the most important thing. This is where the mindset comes into it, because if things start to go backwards and you think, well, I'm not getting results anymore, and you quit here, you've missed out on the chance to achieve results up here. That's why it's so important to keep going. Then the other one, and this one's quite common as well, is we get results, things flatten off, and then we get results, things flatten off. We get results, things flatten off, and over time you're still getting results as we go. Now these are what we call plateaus. Okay, so you start to get results and then nothing happens for a little while, and then your body kicks back into gear or you make some small changes and then you start to get results again. And again, this is the point where a lot of people quit on that first plateau, and if you quit here, you miss out on these results up here. So this graph is just a really good representation of why not to expect that your weight loss results are going to happen exactly like that. Okay, the others are completely normal as well, and in fact they're probably more common than the nice straight line that we all wish we could get. So that's just a nice graph representation of how we want to look at weight loss, or any health journey really, and be able to continue moving forward and get beyond the plateaus, or even get beyond those dips that we know are going to happen, and that's where the mindset is really, really important.